Got two of our staple covered editions. Let's go. So clean and simple is perfection. Akins Ford F-250 Platinum, Star White, Metallic, Diamond, leveled on 37s. You know we own the Fuel Maverick. It's a tried and true old school wheel. It's in the top 10 though, so it's always gonna work. Don't be a hater on the Maverick, y'all. We are 2.5 inch leveled on 37s, Toyo MT, and 37, 12.5, 22. You know what's up. I love the 22 look because you still get ample sidewall for off-roading and overall ride quality, but you get that look that is just money to me. That wheel especially looks so much better in a 22 inch. It's just more mature with the spokes elongated and in that matte black and milled finish with a perfect offset. It accents nicely with the other matte black all throughout. Backlay there around our Super Duty lettering. The mirrors, of course, as well. Mild to wide scale. A great balance on a Super Duty truck with a trimmer valance up front, with the Falcon shocks from Ready Lift and our coil spring from Ready Lift as well. Sitting nice and mean. Let me know what you think about it. This truck right here, again, you don't have to paint everything. You can roll with it just like that. Got rear wheel well liners going on with it as well. We got Thomas in the big bad 450 moving a lot around, y'all. And we have big boy and woman trucks everywhere. Come hit us up for Everything Auto. You notice this is not an Akins Ford vehicle, but it's okay. We love doing anybody's vehicles. We're not partial, so please bring us any of your vehicles. Brand as well. It can be a Chevrolet. And look, Mr. Henson's Indo Edition Raptor looking amazing too. But we have so many opportunities to take swings on so many trucks, and it's why we're number one in my opinion, y'all, because we keep it rolling. Right here again, Baja Designs. Lights up top on the A-pillar and down in the bumper, looking amazing on the Area 51. And I saw this other diamond right down here. I got to bring it to you. There's so many every day. If you want to see custom truck, positive vibes, right here's the location. Hit that subscribe button. Another diamond right here. So many customizations. Leveled on 34s. That space white is so killer. Did satin on the grill. Kept that middle bar on the Lariat Sport in the space white. Just a space white on the Ford script there. Go dogs, go dog with a chest back to back. We got the Go Rhino RB20 Raptor style running boards. We did a blackout on the F-150 Lariat in the satin form and did space white on this portion. Got the Nitto Recon grapplers also. Got the Fox 2.0. This truck is a diamond, y'all. On factories, you can run it with factories and it works. Got the boiler exhaust to roll with it. Of course, the custom emblem out back. I got one more. I got one more. Rusty ST's custom carbonized gray Covert edition Bronco. Again, another diamond RB20 Raptor style. We got ridges. We got black rhinos. We bed linered the front and rear bumper. We got ridges in there as well. An unbelievable setup here for you too. So Everything Auto, not just trucks. Even though you know we love trucks, and especially the F-150 is our go-to player as far as volume. But these right here just continue to shut the game down with great variations and customizations for you, the individual. That's what it's all about. So hit that subscribe button because we're just like the Georgia Bulldogs. We're relentless and we're aggressive and we're the champs. Peace out.